what's up? So, yesterday guys, ayan, lumabas ako, ayan. I got outside yesterday guys, and this is, at ito yung aking binili guys, for my daily use. Ayan, dahil naubusan na ako ng eyebrow guys. Ayan, ito yung aking binili yesterday. Ayan guys. At 2 eyebrow. Ayan, a color brown eyebrow guys. Ayan kasi, ayan, naubusan na ako guys. So, ayan, dalawang eyebrow yung aking binili guys, para good for 2 to 3 months ko na siyang magagamit. Charan! Eh, diba? And then, I have, guys, I will buy also, charan, for my eyeliner. Ayan. I wanna try this later, guys. Ayan, very cheap. Very cheap lang siya, guys. This one for only 50 pesos each. So, it costs 100 pesos. And this one, 50 also, diba? It's very cheap. So, it's a budget meal, guys. It's a budget meal. Ayan, ito lang yung aking binili yesterday, guys. And, charan! For my face, guys. I put this on nighttime. Charan! Look, guys, this is my facial cream. My facial cream at night. That's very cheap lang siya, guys. I buy this on Mercury. Ayan, ito yung aking ginagamit, guys, sa aking face. Ayan, at nighttime when I sleep. When I sleep, I put this, guys. I have a facial cream, a night cream, guys. It's very good for our face. Look, my face is very guys, very flawless. Diba? This one lang, guys. Ito yung aking mga binili. And I buy fruits also. I buy apple. And I buy banana because, ayan, I really love bananas, guys. I really love apple. So, ayun. Yun lang yung akong binili, guys. Ayan. So, I wanna try this na. I try this. Ayan, I will try this, guys. Ayan, so, this is it. This is it, guys. Ito lang yung aking binili. Ayan, because I don't have budget. So, ayan, budget muna tayo, guys. Ayan, tipid budget. Ayan, ang budget lang tayo, guys. Ayan, 1,000 peso yung aking naubos yesterday, guys. Ayan, because, ayan, I eat lunch on, Jollibee. Ayan, I eat, a fried chicken. Look, guys, ayan, my eyebrow, a brown eyebrow, charan. I wanna try this later. So, ayan, so, yun lang po yung aking nabili yesterday, guys. So, hinihintay ko pa kasi yung aking payout, guys. Ayan. Hintay pa ako ng payout this coming 25, every 25 of the month. Ayan, ang tagal ng ating payout. Kaya, so, tipid-tipid muna tayo.